Welcome to Medicine Review and Knowledge, where we provide comprehensive reviews on various medications and healthcare products. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: Gynaecosid Tablet. Gynaecosid is a medication commonly used in gynecology for various purposes. In this video, we will provide an in-depth review of Gynaecosid Tablet and its uses. Now, let's explore Gynaecosid in detail, discussing its composition and how it works. Gynaecosid is a combination tablet that contains two active ingredients, methyltestosterone and methylestrenolone. These are synthetic hormones that have progesterone-like effects in the body. Gynaecosid works by acting on the lining of the uterus, promoting its shedding and causing menstrual-like bleeding. It is often used to induce or regulate menstrual periods, treat certain gynecological conditions, and support some aspects of reproductive health. It's important to note that Gynaecosid should only be used under the supervision and guidance of a healthcare professional. They will evaluate your specific condition and provide you with the necessary instructions for its use. Gynaecosid is typically administered orally, usually in the form of tablets. The dosage and administration instructions may vary depending on the specific purpose and the guidance of your healthcare provider. To use Gynaecosid, you simply take the tablet as directed by your healthcare provider. It's important to follow the recommended dosage and duration of treatment to achieve the desired results. Gynaecosid has been used for many years in gynecology, and its effectiveness in various conditions has been reported. However, it's important to note that its specific benefits and outcomes may vary depending on individual factors. As for side effects, Gynaecosid can potentially cause gastrointestinal discomfort, such as nausea, vomiting, or abdominal pain. Some individuals may also experience changes in menstrual bleeding patterns or hormonal fluctuations. It's crucial to discuss any concerns or side effects with your healthcare provider. They will be able to assess your situation and provide appropriate guidance or adjustments to your treatment plan. Using Gynaecosid should always be done under the supervision and guidance of a qualified healthcare professional. They have the expertise to determine the most suitable usage and monitor your response to the medication. That concludes our detailed review of Gynaecosid Tablet. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice and recommendations based on your specific needs. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Medicine Review and Knowledge for more informative content. See you next time.